everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Ninoy Aquino International Airport. We are now taxiing towards NAIA Terminal 3 for your proper and safe disembarkation. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang iyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandali ito ay may higpit na pinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Andres and First Officer Chan, together with your cabin crew, we have Leon, Perry, Rose. This is Pia. We thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Muli po naming pinaalahanan ang lahat ng panauhin na huwag mag-iwan ng mga bagay na nais niyong itapon sa loob ng eroplano. Mangyari po lamang na dalhin ang mga ito sa inyong pagbaba. And for guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, please leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. And for guests needing special assistance such as wheelchair, you are advised to deplane last for your proper ground endorsement.
Oh, na po na mo ubo. Tukay na sad.